Hello, so I'm just going to finish up my book critique because it did not download correctly. So I was talking about Bud Not Buddy, and I was describing how it is set in the Great Depression, and Bud Caldwell moves from foster home to foster home after the death of his mother. He does not let anything stop him as he tries and find his father that he never met and that his mother never really talked about. The only clue he has is a flyer his mother left him of Herman E. Calloway and his band. This is a historical fiction book. Next is Ramona and Her Father by Beverly Cleary and illustrated by Jacqueline Rogers. This fourth book of the Ramona Quimby series is about Ramona's dad losing his job. She hopes to help him in any way she can to make her life go back to normal. She begins to question if things will ever get back to how things were since she hears her parents talking about bills piling up. Joey Pigza Loses Control by Jack Gantos. This sequel to Joey Pigza Swallows a Key, a boy named Joey Pigza takes readers through his life of struggling with attention deficit disorder. In this sequel, he goes to stay with his father for the summer, who he just recently met in the last book. He hopes to truly bond with Carter, his father, but his father had other ideas of how this summer would go. This is a realistic fiction book. The Wall. Growing Up Behind the Iron Curtain. This book is based on the memories and pictures of artist Peter Sis. He writes and draws what his life was like living under the communist regime in Czechoslovakia. It is written and illustrated by Peter Sis. Hitler Youth. Growing Up in Hitler's Shadow. This biography tells the story through interviews of how Hitler transformed the youth of his time to fall under his dictatorship. Susan Campbell Barteletti recounts those interviews in this biography. The War That Saved My Life, written by Kimberly Brubaker Bradley. This story is set during World War II in England. A young girl with a club foot named Ada has never truly experienced the outside world because of her cruel and abusive mother. Her and her brother Jamie escape when there is threat of their town getting bombed, and the school wants to send all the children away. In Ada's new life with Susan, she learns how to walk, ride horses, and she even learns how to let herself be loved. Thank you.